we have to release them. So we're going to highlight that part. Although they can live in captivity, not in the wild, it is best to release the butterflies into the wild a few days after they emerge. Yeah? All right, so now we're going to go on to the questions. What strategies should we be using in these questions that are going to help us? Olivia. Yes, we can use process of elimination. Absolutely right. We're going to use process of elimination. What else are we going to use? Graham. That's right. The checks and the X. The check strategy. Nissa? That's right. We're going to look at our main idea sentences and we're going to use those main idea sentences. So we're going to read the first one. Read the sentence from Butterflies in the Wild. Scientists have long studied the life cycle of here we go. Let me zoom in. Okay. Okay. Scientists have long studied the life cycles of butterflies and have found a great deal about these stunning insects. Which sentence from Raising Butterflies suggests that students and teachers have similar interests about butterflies? What are important words in this question that we need to pay attention to? Bella. Oh, the sentence itself? Yeah, the sentence is important. What else? What about the question, this specific question right here? Which sentence from Raising Butterflies suggests that students and teachers have similar interests? Dylan. Yes, sir. Dylan and I worked on this together yesterday. Students and teachers. So this is what STAR is often going to do to you. And this is going to happen as you get older. They are going to give you answer choices that sound like they would be a great answer choice, but they don't directly relate to what the question is asking. Yeah? So if I see something and it sounds like a really good answer, and I think this answer is right, but then it starts mentioning something that's not asked for in the question, you can immediately know that answer choice is not correct. Okay? So now we're going to go through, there's one other thing. When I'm reading the sentence, it's asking for the sentence from Raising Butterflies. So I know I'm going to be looking at Raising Butterflies. So this question, I know I'm looking for Raising Butterflies, and I know I'm looking for something about students and teachers having similar interests. That's what I'm looking at in that question. So now I'm going to take that, knowing that information, and I'm going to look at the answer choices. What do we think about A? Is it right or is it wrong? Let's get an online kid. Galeri, is A right or wrong?
A is wrong.
Okay, why do we think A is wrong?
We're on question 1, right?
Yes.
Well, A is wrong because the question is which sentence from Raising Butterflies suggests that students and teachers have similar interests about the butterflies? And the sentence they're providing you talks about how scientists have always been interested in their life cycle.
Yes.
So A is wrong because it says each day the chrysalis must be misted with water.
Yeah, so it's not even talking about the chrysalis. That's right. And also, it's just kind of giving you a sentence that's a fact. It's not really saying anything that shows interest in students and teachers, right? It's not really saying anything that's proving that students and teachers think it's interesting. It's just saying each day the chrysalis must be misted with water. Is there anything in the sentence, each day the chrysalis must be misted with water, that would tell you that students and teachers think it's interesting? No. All right, so I'm going to put an X by it. Now we're going to go to B. Many elementary classrooms raise butterflies to demonstrate life cycles to children. What do we think? What do we think?